Good morning, Madam Saadia and everyone. We are Group 6 and today we will be presenting our topic, Breaking Communication Barriers, Creating Inclusive Workplaces for People with Hearing Impairments. My name is Nur Fazal Rushaini and together with my group members, Siti Nadia, Siti Nur Farah Hanim and Aisyah Najia Hanim, we'll be discussing the importance of creating an inclusive workplace for individuals with hearing impairments. In today's presentation, we'll first explain what hearing impairment is and why workplace inclusion matters. Next, we will discuss the communication barriers faced by employees with hearing impairments, followed by practical solutions, relevant technologies, and recommendations for creating a more accessible and inclusive working environment. Without further ado, let us begin with an overview of hearing impairment. Hearing impairment refers to the partial or complete loss of hearing. Individuals with hearing impairments may be deaf or hard of hearing, and they communicate using different methods such as sign language, lip reading, written communication, or assistive technologies like hearing aids and cochlear implants. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, more than 430 million people worldwide are living with disabling hearing loss. In Malaysia, hearing impairment is officially recognized as one of the disability categories registered under the Department of Social Welfare or JKM. These statistics show that hearing impairment affects a significant number of people. Therefore, workplace inclusion is not only a social responsibility but also a business necessity. An inclusive workplace promotes equal employment opportunities, encourages active participation, and enables individuals with hearing impairments to work independently. At the same time, it strengthens diversity and creates a more innovative, productive, and supportive organizational culture. With that understanding, let's move on to the communication challenges faced by employees with hearing impairments in the workplace.
Now I would like to explain about unique challenges in the workplace faced by employees with hearing impairment. The first one is communication barrier. Employees with hearing impairment may find it difficult to understand in spoken instruction or conversation. This can make it harder for them to participate efficiently in meetings, discussion, and daily workplace communication. Second is limited access to information. Without sign language interpreters or written communication, important information may not be fully accessible. Verbal announcement or updates can be easily be missed, affecting their ability to stay informed. The third one is workplace safety issue. Employees with hearing impairment may not hear emergency alarms, warning signals, and verbal safety instruction during emergencies. And fourth, career advancements challenge. Some employees or colleagues may have misconception about the capabilities of employees with hearing impairments. As a result, they may receive fewer opportunities to promote training or leadership position despite having necessary skills and qualification. Next one is benefit of inclusion. There's a few benefits of hiring people with hearing impairments such as strong commitment and reliability. Many employers find that employees with hearing disability are dedicated, hardworking, and have a good attendance. When given the right support and inclusive work environment, they are often reliable and committed to their responsibility. Second one is positive organizational reputation. Hiring people with disability shows that the organization values diversity, inclusion, and equal opportunities. This improves the company's public image and builds trust among customers, employees, and the community. The third one is better understanding diverse customer. Employees with disability can offer value perspective on accessibility and the needs of different customers. Their insights help organizations improve product, service, and customer experience to be better to serve everyone.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Sahdia. My name is Siti Nadia binti Rosli. My ID is 2026377085. Now, I would like to explain the case study of KFC Malaysia. KFC Malaysia introduced community care restaurant to provide job opportunities for people with hearing and speech disabilities. More than 100 employees with disabilities have been hired across many outlets in Malaysia. This initiative helped them get confidence, develop skill, and build a stable career. It also promotes inclusivity and equal opportunities in the workplace. Therefore, KFC Malaysia is a good example for supporting diversity and inclusion.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to Madam Saadia and everyone. My name is Asha Najiha Hani binti Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number 202635369. And today I will present about slide number 7 regarding the recommendation for employers to support deaf employees in the workplace. As you can see on the slide, we have suggested 3 realistic and practical strategies. First, use the best technology. Employers should move away from traditional phone call and leverage digital platforms. For example, as shown in the first picture, companies can implement automatic live captional during virtual meetings and utilize applications like Slack or Microsoft Teams for daily task coordination. Second, we highly recommend to install visual alert system. Physical safety is a top priority in any organization. Therefore, as illustrated in the second picture, officers should install emergency flashing lights alongside traditional audio fire alarms so that deaf workers can notice safety hazards immediately. Third, employers must provide sign language training to build a better workplace culture. By introducing basic sign language workshops, as seen in the third picture, normal employees can learn proper communication etiquette such as facing the individual directly to facilitate lip reading and close the communication gap. Now moving on to slide number 7, which is our group reflection. Throughout completing this academic project, our group has gained 3 profound insights regarding workplace inclusion. Our first reflection is about cultivating empathy. This project has deeply taught us to look beyond our own perspective. We now truly understand and appreciate the unique daily communication hurdles experienced by deaf employees in a corporate environment. Second, we realize that small change can bring a big impact. As shown in the illustration, fostering an inclusive workplace does not always require expensive technology or massive financial capital. Simple adjustment in our daily communication method can significantly transform and improve their professional life. Lastly, our ultimate takeaway is to focus on capabilities over disabilities. We strongly believe that hearing impairment does not limit a person's intelligence, creativity, or professional talent. As future business graduates, we believe that employers must focus on what disabled individuals can contribute to the company rather than looking at their physical limitation. That's all from my part. Now I will pass the presentation to next person.
In conclusion, giving opportunities to hearing employees is important. It creates an inclusive workplace, improves communication and safety, and increase diversity in the company. Everyone deserves equal opportunities to work and success. Lastly, I would like to end with the quotes. Productivity knows no limits. With an inclusive work environment, people with disabilities can excel and contribute to shared success.